I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to lock your Optus card quickly, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Optus app. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, look for the account tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select card management. In the account settings, find and select card management. This section allows you to manage your card features. Step 4. Lock your card. In the card management section, you will see an option to lock card. Tap this option to immediately lock your card for security. Step 5. Confirm the action. After tapping lock card, a confirmation message will appear. Confirm your choice to ensure your card is locked. Keep an eye out for any pop-up notifications that might require your attention. Now you can feel secure knowing your card is locked. If you need to unlock it later, just follow the same steps. Stay safe.